Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 30th, 2021. I've already solved two puzzles, two Sudokus, 3 stars and 4 stars. Now it's time for the binary puzzle. This will be number 3758. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now, aha, I think we need to compare. Yeah, do we have the blah. Yes, this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. Empty box 0 0. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great binary, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, Killer Sudoku and a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.